we were discussing earlier, I want to talk about the concept of talent brand ambassadors and how organizations are leveraging their talent brand ambassadors to create a very strong and wide-reaching employer brand. And do you think we can influence what they talk?
As long as the so-called brand ambassadors are talking of truth. Because the employee or our target audience is too smart. They are able to figure out whether you're bullshitting or you're talking the truth literally in a nanosecond. While there is a desire to be able to create a brand, there's a desire to be able to tell them that this is the right career option, that they can make a career out of this. It has to be based on facts. It has to be based on things that can be tested out and validated. Will it work then? I think it will, because the kid wants to make a career. The kid wants to do the right things. The mother and the father and the uncle want the kid to be able to do the right thing. But we are not giving the information. Our success is a state secret that we keep to ourselves. And then we let the influencers be influenced by the negative stories in the media, and that is all they have. And then we say, okay, but we became $20 billion. How do you think it happened? Without anything, but we won't tell you our success stories. So it's a communication challenge. There is a huge firewall that is sitting there, and it cannot be done by a company. It has to be done by the industry. Everybody has a role to play. Everybody has a role to contribute. We have to consciously recognize that yes, we have to influence the employee. We also have to influence his or her girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. We have to influence the parent. We have to influence the uncle, and we have to give that information out in a manner where they can absorb it and they can take a rational decision. Because frankly, sitting in this industry for 30 years, I only see the good that we are doing to the employee. There is no negative that we are doing to the employee. But the ability to communicate that to the various influencers, we've not done a good enough job of it.